But...
Go, go, Thomas! Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Go! Choose a racer. Percy. Go, go, Thomas! Choose a racer.
You'll need 2 engines to play with a friend. Would you like to see the other available?
Choose a racer. Thomas. Choose a racer. Thomas. Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Gordon. Prepare your engines and get ready for the race. Welcome to the Funnel Tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go! Perfect start! Quick! Tap the special boost button. Amazing! Quick! Tap the special boost button. Winner! What an amazing race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete the cogwheel to upgrade this engine. A new challenger appears! Thomas versus Diesel! Prepare your engines and get ready for the race! Welcome to the Funnel Tunnel! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go! Perfect start! Quick! Tap the special boost button. You've taken the lead! Quick! Tap the special boost button. The other racer has taken the lead!